Today we are talking about how to form a US LLC using Doola in a very simple and fast way. Many people from different countries, they want to start an online business in the United States, but they think the process is very complicated. The good news is it is now much easier with online services. Doola is one of the platform that help you to create US LLC without needing to travel. In this video, I will show you how this process works step by step in a simple way. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and online business for you. Today we are doing a full tutorial on Doola so you can form your LLC easily from anywhere. I also placed the special link in the description where you can get started and you can access with any available offers. If that sounds good to you, then make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. By using the link, the benefit or discount that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's understand how to form your LLC using Doola. First, just go to the Doola website by using the link in the description. Once you are open the site, you will see an option which is start your business. So simply click on that and just begin the process. The platform is designed to be very simple, so even beginner can follow along without any confusion. Next, you need to choose the type of business, which is usually an LLC. So we will select this and clicking next. Now, would you like to obtain S Corp status? So this is for the small businesses with tax efficient corporate benefit. Now in this case, I don't want, so I will go with this no thanks and clicking next. What is your desired company name? Now you need to write your company name or your business name here. So in my case, it is Easy Access Tech. Now clicking next. Which state do you want to form your business in? Now you just need to select the state here. In this case, it is Texas for me. So I'm just selecting that. You can see the Texas state fee is $310. Basically, it depends on the state and it's an one-time payment. Now clicking next again. So after entering your business detail, this will ask you to choose a plan from the Doola. Basically, Doola has three kind of plan here: starter, tax and compliance, and the business in a box. I think the starter plan is for the people who are just starting their business and who need only the basic thing to get started. And if you click on this all feature, then you can compare the different kind of plan here. So select the one that is aligned with your need. So I just want to launch my business and I want only LLC. In this case, I will go with this one, the starter plan. Now clicking next. Would you like us to keep your business compliant? Basically, Doola will manage your state compliance filing, but it will charge you $199 per year. So again, I don't want, but if you want, then you can go with this, clicking next. Want to launch your business at lightning speed. So if you don't have any time and you want it very fast, then you can get with this. It will skip the line. Basically, it will help you to get started with faster. If you don't have any time, then you can go with this. But I have time, so I will go with this. No thanks, I can wait. Now clicking next. Okay, so here you can see all of the options that we selected or set it earlier. Now if there anything goes wrong, you can edit that, you can fix that. So in my case, everything is fine. Just check this box and click confirm. So once you complete the basic information, Doola will guide you through the payment step. Here you need to write your personal information, I mean your card details to make the payment. So after completing this form, just click on the subscribe to pay out, and after payment they will handle the legal filing process for you. This means they submit your documents to the state and officially they will create your LLC. So after your LLC is formed, there are a few more important steps. Doola can help you to get the EIN, which is tax ID for your business. Now this is required if you want to open a US business bank account or run your business properly. Another helpful feature is banking support. Doola can guide you in opening a US bank even if you are not physically in the United States. This makes it much easier to receive payments from client or platforms. Doola also help you with compliance and bookkeeping. Running a business is not just about creating it. You also need to maintain it. This includes like filing reports, managing taxes, and keeping records. Doola offers these services to help you stay compliant so you don't miss the important deadlines. Now let's talk about who should use Doola. If you are a freelancer, online entrepreneur, or someone who want to start a global business, Doola is a good option. It saves time, it removes the confusion, and it handles many legal steps for you. However, if you already understand the process and want to save money, you can also form an LLC yourself directly through the state website. But for beginners, using a service like Doola makes everything much easier and faster. So, in simple word, Doola helps you to form the US LLC, get your tax ID, open a bank account, and manage your business from anywhere in the world. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more simple business and guides like this. Don't forget to check the description link so any benefits get applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.